Creating a chart in Excel is fairly simple. You select the data, click on chart type, and Excel does the rest for you. However, some charts tell a better story than the others. Therefore, it is very important that you select the most suitable chart type for the data that you have. One of the most interesting charts in Excel is the people graph. Let's take a look at how to create that. This chart was earlier available in both Windows and Mac. However, it is no longer available in the Excel 365 version of Windows. It is available in the older versions of Excel and also available in the 365 version for Mac. I have recorded this demo using the 365 version for Mac. We have some data on our customer service team. The names of the customer service agents are given along with their feedback from the customers. Let's create a chart for them. To create a chart, I will select the data. Go to the Insert menu and click on Bar Graph. The chart is ready. This chart is a standard chart and you would have seen it several times. Since it is so common, it doesn't really catch your imagination. Let's look at another chart called the people chart. I'm just going to put it on one side. In the Insert menu, we have the button for people chart. It loads the chart and gives you a sample chart. You can click on the chart to begin configuring it. You'll see an icon in the form of a table and the other one is a gear icon. Let's click on the table icon first. This will let us select the data and provide a title. We can give the title as customer feedback. Now I will click on select your data. Select the actual data. You'll see that it updates this text here to indicate that we've selected 7 rows and 2 columns. Now I'll click the create button. The basic chart is ready with the title and the data that we had provided. Now let's customize it to our liking. I will click on the chart again and click on the gear icon. I can now configure type, theme, and shape. In the type section, you can select the general layout of the chart. Let's select this one. Under theme, you can customize how your icons will look. And then you can select the shape of your icon. You have a few options. Since we are displaying customer feedback, the star icon seems most appropriate. Decimal values are shown as partially filled stars. If you compare it with the chart on the left, the people graph is more impactful in this scenario, and it is as simple to create as the other chart. So this is an additional option for you to use while creating charts. Hope this was useful. Do let me know in the comments if you use this chart and for what scenario. Thanks for watching.